Students of 8th class, let us discuss and revise our moral science chapter, that is the unit 6, win over loneliness and depression. We have already discussed this chapter into two parts. That video had been sent to you, and once again let us see the important points. I hope that you might have realized and reflect the brainstorming session you're on. Students, win over loneliness and depression is a very important chapter in our life. We have already seen that loneliness shortens lifespan, and it is a more dangerous than obesity and smoking, when straightway leads to high blood pressure and so many other problems in our physical and mental health. So we need to be very positive. Then only we can be we can remove our depression. And once we remove our depression, we won't feel lonely, because no man is an island. That means not alone, has to live in society, talks and share with others. What is the loneliness? Is a feeling of isolation or lack of companionship. So it's not that one who is in a shut in a room is lonely. No, for the betterment, he may shut himself in a room. So that we cannot say loneliness. That is just isolation. He has isolated himself for the betterment, for the realization. So we have 6 steps to deal with the loneliness. Okay, comfort ourselves, should get involved in various activities, should differentiate between loneliness and solitude, make a habit to think about the welfare of other people, and we can learn new things and develop new skills in solitude, and always cultivate positive thoughts. And also, we have seen the story, put them down. See, we cannot simply carry in our head various problems and misunderstandings, enmity with others. The more we think about the hatred in our mind about others, the more it increases and burn ourselves. So we have to put these bad thoughts, depressions, hatred, enmity, we have to put them down. So nip the evil in the bud now itself. That is a proverb. So that we need to do. That story teaches us the thing. Students, problems of life are something like this, that what the story says. Okay. So if we keep on holding the things, the problems longer, they begin to paralyze you. Okay. So it is important to think of the challenge or problems in our life. But it's important in more is to put them down. So that is the nutshell, that is the moral of the chapter and even of the story. So I hope that you might have done the question answers. Read the chapter thoroughly. Okay. You may expect short answers, objective type answers from the chapter. And also, I asked you to do a homework to write your own this paragraph, my thoughts about the loneliness. Okay. So wish you all the best for the unit test. Do this chapter well. Thank you.